That sound? That's the sound of a $1,500 robotic pool cleaner giving up. What if you could know exactly which one actually works before you waste your money? This summer, we submerged the top 10 models in every type of pool: concrete, vinyl, fiberglass, with leaves, sand, and the worst dirt we could find. The results were unbelievable. One model climbed walls like Spider-Man, while a famous brand sank to the bottom. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro. Best overall. With multiple cleaning modes and a dual basket filtration system that separates fine silt from larger debris, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro is well equipped to keep your pool sparkling. This 5-in-1 cleaner takes care of every inch of the pool, cleaning the surface, waterline, floor, and walls, as well as clarifying the water. The water filtration system is unique because it uses recycled crab shells that adhere to fine particles, so it can remove dirt, residue, and oils without using any chemicals. We initially used the robot to clean our pool when we opened it for the season, and there was a heavy layer of debris and algae at the bottom of the pool. The cleaner picked up both large and small debris with ease, collecting even the finest debris with its double-filtered waste basket. Plus, it has a long battery life that allows for up to 11 hours of continuous surface cleaning before it needs to be charged. After the first use, we were amazed at how well the cleaner climbed and scrubbed the pool walls, even in a half-filled pool with angled sides. In fact, the scrubbers on this cleaner are so powerful that it left obvious trails on the pool floor in the path where it was cleaned. It also has powerful motors that help it to clean the surface efficiently. The pool cleaner includes an app to control surface cleaning and speed. We thought the app was very user-friendly and easy to set up. We like that it has handy features, like monitoring the water temperature. It even notifies you when the cleaner is finished, so you know when to remove it from the pool and put it away for storage. To select the cleaning mode, there are buttons on the top of the unit for each cleaning option, like floor mode, sides and floor mode, or sides, floor, and top skimmer mode. You can even customize exactly where you want it to clean, such as concentrating only on the sides and surface. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Best for in-ground pools. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner earned a perfect score in our tests for its ability to climb pool walls and vacuum up dirt and leaves. The cleaner is ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. We thought the robot was lightweight enough for anyone to lift, and the handle made it easier to lift and place in the pool. Setting up the robot was also very easy and user-friendly. After dropping it in the water, you only need to press the power button, and the robot does the rest. Our pool had visible dirt and leaves from nearby trees in the water. The robot cleaned up all of the debris and vacuumed up the leaves, picking up a significant amount of sediment. With a top-load filter, it was easy to pull the robot's filter out to rinse and clean it. The robot easily climbed the walls of our pool, which had sharp corners with very little curve in the transition between the wall and the floor. The cleaner is ideal for scrubbing walls, but keep in mind that it doesn't clean the waterline. Number 3. Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Best with caddy. If you need a robotic cleaner that is convenient to store when it's not in the pool, we love that the Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner includes a caddy to easily transport and control the robot. The caddy features a control panel that allows you to adjust the cleaning modes and even bring the cleaner to the surface when you want to remove it. Setting up the pool cleaner was relatively simple, including putting together the caddy, which just required snapping the wheels into place. The robot sits upright on the caddy, which saves space to make it easier to store. For the first use, it suggests running it on an automatic cycle so the cleaner can learn the layout of your pool. Then, it provides a calculated time for how long it will take to fully clean the pool. If you think the pool is especially dirty, you can just add more time to the cleaning. The control panel displays how much time is left in the cleaning cycle, so you always know when to remove it from the pool. It was very easy to remove the robot from the pool because it has a button on the control panel to call the robot to the surface. The robot also automatically ejects water and has a large handle on the front that makes it easy to grab out of the pool. The filter is accessible from a compartment on the top of the robot, so it's convenient to remove and rinse away debris. Number 4. Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner. Best for walls. Instead of wheels, the Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner has treads on the bottom that offer better traction for climbing walls. The improved grip and maneuverability allow the cleaner to navigate heavily sloped walls. We watched as the cleaner climbed our pool's walls and scrubbed the tile during testing, and we were impressed with how well it navigated the pool. The robot even climbed on top of a built-in seat at the end of the pool to scrub it. The robot easily cleaned up both large debris like leaves and finer debris like pine needles and yellow pollen. After each use, the robot collected a ton of leaves and debris in a filter basket, and it was easy to empty the debris from the basket. Once you pull the cleaner out of the pool, it starts dumping out the water. We found it to be a bit heavy to lift, so we had to let the water drain for a bit before removing it. It also has a large handle on the top to hold it while it drains. We noticed that the cleaner always returns to the same spot when it's done cleaning, making it easy to retrieve. Number 5. Polaris Freedom Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Best for fine debris. Every time we used the Polaris Freedom Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, it found small debris that we couldn't even see. Before using the cleaner for the first time, we didn't notice any debris in our pool, and we thought it looked nearly clean. However, after running the cleaner through the water, it collected a ton of sand, mulch, pollen, and even a tiny frog. It only took about 10 minutes for us to unbox and set up the cordless robot, and it came almost fully charged. We thought storing the cleaner was convenient since we could just place it on the outdoor charging station when we weren't using it. After setting up the robot, we just dropped it in the pool and let it run, and we didn't need to empty the filter until after the cycle was finished. The cleaner runs for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and the app notifies you when it's finished cleaning. At the end of the cleaning cycle, the robot climbs to the surface for easy retrieval. And just like that, you can say goodbye to endless skimming and hello to a perfectly clean pool every single day. So, which robotic helper is taking over your pool maintenance? Let me know in the comments which one you're getting. If this deep dive saved you time, money, and a huge headache, please do me a solid, like this video, share it with a fellow pool owner, and subscribe for more reviews that make your life easier. Now, go enjoy your swim.